All right, during this video, I'm going to show you how to make a printout of our top and our side view. So in another video, we discussed how to create this view, and now we're going to go ahead and print it out. So I thought I'd separate it for you. The first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to add a text box or text block to it. So I'm going to click on this text tool over here, text labels. I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to put basic dragster design. Hit enter, put my name in here, and my hour is every hour. Of course, you would put your hour in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and click there. Now, it's pretty small. I can leave it like that, but just to kind of give you an idea on how to change that, I can click and move it around, or I can right-click Entity Info, and I can change the font. Well, that didn't work. Let's try that again. Hit spacebar. Click on that again, right-click, Entity Info, there we go. Change font, and I'm going to make it, I like Calibri for the font, so I'll type CAL. We'll make it bold, make it stick out, 12 points fine, click that, and close that window. That looks pretty good. So click M for move, and we can move that around like that. Now, if I hit spacebar again, it's still highlighted. You see if I click off of it, it turns black. Click on it, it turns blue. Right-click, Entity Info, and change the font. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Let's make it 16. There we go. Now it stands out. M for move, and I'm going to move that right about there. Okay, so now to print this out, I'm going to click the Zoom Extents button. What that does is encloses the entire drawing in this window. And this is really important because if you don't, let's say we zoom out, you can see that that text stays right there. But if we zoom out, it's going to print all of this, and we don't need that. So we go ahead and just click that. We're going to go up to File. We're going to print Preview. And what's really important is that we have we take a look at these settings here. If I say Fit to Page, that's not going to work for us. But essentially, you see how this is in the printout, it's 1 inch, and in Sketchup, it's almost 1 inch. Well, we want to change that to 1 inch. So in other words, we want a 1-to-1 ratio. What's 1 inch on the drawing needs to be 1 inch on the printout so we can cut it out and use it as a template. So when we do that, you see these numbers change a little bit, but the most important thing is that this tiled sheet page range says 1-to-1. So when I click OK, I've got my drawing right here. Okay, so when I go ahead and click print, there it is. I'm going to make 2 copies for myself, but you'll only make 1. And then you go ahead and click OK, and it should go to the printer that is assigned to you in the lab. So that is how we print out, or how we add a little basic nameplate, and how we print out our template to be used for our milling operations. So once you've got this approved, then it's off to the workshop and to create your car.